Okay, next, dividing mixed number by mixed number. Okay, number 3 example, we have 2 and 1/3 divided by 5 and 4/7. So, ang solution natin dito is to change the mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, para ma-change natin yung mixed number to improper fraction, ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin yung numerator sa whole number. So, that is 3 times 2. Then, i-add ang numerator. So, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 equals 7 divided by the denominator 3. Then, 5 and 4, 7, it is equal to, okay, 7 times 5 plus 4 over 7, then it is equal to 7 times 5 is 35 plus 4, which is 39 over 7. And then, next step is, i-rewrite natin yung mga improper fraction na na-change natin. Okay? So, it becomes 7 over 3 divided by 39 over 7. And then, papalitan natin yung divide ng times and then get the reciprocal of the divisor. Which is, ang divisor natin dito is 39 over 7. So, it becomes 7 over 39. And then, times na natin numerator sa numerator. 7 times 7 is 49. Denominator sa denominator. So, 3 times 39 is 117. Okay, ngayon naman tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-shortcut or mag-divide ng shortcut. Okay, so ang tawag dito is cross multiplication. Okay, sundan lang natin yung arrow. So, una nating i-multiply yung 2 times 4. 2 times 4, which is ilalagay natin sa numerator. And then, sunod natin yung pink na arrow, yung 3 times 1, ilalagay natin sa denominator. Okay? And then, i-multiply natin siya. 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 1 is 3. Since improper fraction ang 8 over 3, kailangan nating i-simplify. Okay, para ma-simplify, change natin sa mixed number. So, i-divide lang natin 8 divided by 3, the answer is 2. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and then subtract 8 minus 6, the answer is 2. Okay, rewrite natin ang mixed number. So, yung 2 na quotient, yun yung whole number. Yung 2 na remainder, yun yung numerator. And then, yung 3 na divisor, yun yung denominator. Okay, next, let's have number 5. Okay, let's have number 5 example. 1 and 3/4 divided by 4 and 2/5. So, the first step is i-change natin yung mixed number to improper fraction. And then, after nating na-change, ayan, 7 over 4 divided by 22 over 5. And then, i-cross multiply natin. So, 7 times 5 and 4 times 22. Okay, 7 times 5 is 35, 4 times 22 is 88. So, since wala silang greatest common factor, nakasimplify na ang 35 over 88.